you have any fresh fundraising plans?
Not as of now. We have enough cash generation of our own. Recently, we took a small ECB for our agrochemical expansion. If we go for an SEZ capital investment, we may go for marginal capital raising, but otherwise most of our expansion will be self-funded. We are quite cash rich and we have a lot of reserve available. So growth is the fund or the or want of capital is not the hindrance of the growth.
Are you looking for some acquisition?
We are always looking for acquisition, and we are trying to evaluate various options available to us at various locations, and we are very always open to have good value for the money acquisition.
What are your management strengths?
Our management strength is our own experience in chemical field for last 25-30 years, and also the second generation are already functioning in the industry since last first my daughter is since last 7-8 years, and now at least 7 children are working. All are double graduates from overseas, and all well educated people are working on the second generation in our company. I consider that capital is the biggest strength of our company.
How you are able to offset the increase in cost?
We are pushing ourselves to the maximum level and trying to minimize our logistic cost, trying to minimize our communication and IT cost by doing it in the most modern and cost effective way. We are trying to buy chemicals in the bulk. We are trying to keep our store in a single location, a common store for all locations. That is the way we are trying to reduce our cost.
What are your strengths compared to your competitors?
Our strength is full knowledge of chemistry and chemical engineering process. That is our core competence. Also we have locations, offices in US, Europe, Far East and China. That is our strength. We export in 70 countries. That is our strength. We have good people working for us. That is our strength.
I've been told that your company is very strong on the technology front. What would you like to say about that?
Look at our products. They are comparable in quality to anybody in the world. In some of the products, we are the world leaders by value, by volume, and by quality. That says that proves without doubt that we are technically very competent.